Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And we're looking at a gear step leg. And this is the one that goes on the left side of the aircraft, and of course there's a matching one on the right. These were optional equipment. When you go to put them back in, there are two bolt holes. And the bottom bolt is where the steel bolt goes. And then the top one is the aluminum bolt. And the reason for that is should you ever have a problem, a gear collapse, you shatter a fiberglass main, anything like that, when this breaks, it's going to pivot about here, and this is going to swing down from its location and not hit anything. This will shatter the fiberglass fairing on the back, but when it rotates, it won't do any damage. That won't be true if you do here to here, because it will shatter the wing root. So the aluminum bolt goes in the top. The steel bolt, which becomes the pivot, goes in the bottom. And then while we're on the gear leg, you'll notice that on this particular step, we have one end cap plug, the side plug. Also two, there's a bottom plug missing. Now, there's a crack in this one, which is why this is a non-serviceable one we're using for demo purposes. But the GPA does have both the bottom and the side plugs available. And they come in a variety of colors, whatever happens to be in the machine when they're produced. But you lightly sand them, paint them, prime them and paint them. Use a little RTV to stick them in. This one will never come out. This one, RTV, and then we drill a little 1/8" hole here, and then come in with a little 1/8" pop rivet. Once it's in there through the plastic, it pins it, it'll never come out again. So that's our little talk today on gear leg. We just wanted to document where the bolts go. Every once in a while, it's a discussion that comes up on the Grumman gang, and this way we now have it firmly in the library of our GPA videos. So we hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.